Welcome to Lush Loom's latest project, a luxury blackout and sheer curtains installation at the St. Regis Residences, downtown Dubai. Located in one of Dubai's most prestigious residential destinations, this project called for a window treatment that matched the elegance and sophistication of the space. For this residence, we combined premium blackout curtains with elegant sheer curtains to create the perfect balance between luxury, privacy, natural light, and everyday functionality.
When working on a high-end interior, every detail matters, and curtains can have a major impact on the overall atmosphere of a room. The objective of this installation was to enhance the existing interior while maintaining a clean, sophisticated, and seamless appearance. The sheer curtains provide a soft and elegant layer, allowing natural daylight to filter through while helping maintain privacy. The blackout curtains, on the other hand, provide stronger light control and create a more comfortable and private environment whenever required. Together, these two layers offer both style and practicality. Before installation begins, our team focuses on accurate measurements and careful preparation. Every window is assessed to ensure the curtain tracks and fabrics are positioned correctly. In a luxury residence, precision is especially important. The smallest details, from track alignment to curtain height and spacing, can affect the final appearance. Once everything is prepared, the curtain tracks are installed securely and aligned for a clean, professional finish. The curtains are then carefully fitted onto the tracks, making sure the movement is smooth and effortless. With the curtains installed, our team focuses on the final presentation. The sheer layer is carefully dressed to create soft, consistent folds across the window. The blackout curtains are positioned to complement the sheers while providing the desired level of privacy and light control. This layered approach also adds visual depth to the room, making the windows feel taller, wider, and more refined. The result is a sophisticated window treatment that blends naturally with the luxury interior rather than taking attention away from it. And here is the final transformation. The combination of blackout and sheer curtains creates a beautiful balance between openness and privacy. During the day, the sheer curtains allow the room to benefit from natural light while maintaining an elegant and comfortable atmosphere. When it's time for more privacy or reduced daylight, the blackout curtains provide an additional layer of coverage and light control. If you're planning a luxury interior project in Dubai and need custom blackout curtains, sheer curtains, or premium window treatments, Lush Loom is ready to help. Lush Loom, bringing luxury, comfort, and elegance to every window.